Hello my friends, this video has something for everybody, but let me just tell you, if you like big letters and big numbers and big symbols, or you love fold-its, or you love CreativeDex, I have something for you. Here is a sample of our newest large alphabet numbers and symbols. What? I know, ready? First of all, I don't want any of you to buy this. Nobody is allowed to buy this. Close your eyes. I don't have enough for everybody. I wanted to get these. I had a couple people ask for them, so half of you just close your eyes. Close them. I don't want you to buy it. Do not buy this. Do not buy this. We finally have what I am calling the Big Alpha. Now, when I say Big Alpha, what do I mean? I mean these guys are big. And I don't even have an exact measurement on this, and I wish oh, here's a ruler. Let's look at this really quick. Let's look at this because these guys are massive. This thing is heavy, heavy, and this is just the letters. Okay, so we're looking at this. These are approximately 4 inches tall. Now, this is a funky font. Let me tell you, this is a very funky font. For example, the B is like kind of like short at the bottom, big at the top. But if you turn it over, it'll be bigger at the top, smaller at the bottom. So there's lots of different options on this. Look at this, you guys. Look at all the letters. It is insane. Yes, you of course get all 26 letters. Again, more than half of you need to close your eyes. Just close your eyes, don't even look at this because I don't have enough. But I had to get it, right? Then we have the numbers because then you can do something like this, right? This is on a slimline card. Numbers, right? Then we have the big symbols. So of course we need the hashtag. Remember back in the day when we called it a tic-tac-toe symbol? Yeah, not anymore. Hashtag. We have the @ symbol. We have some punctuation. We have the and we have a question mark. And I have so many samples to share with you guys. Sit back for a couple minutes because I have a lot. Then we have our cute little horsey fold-it. So we have now our 5x7 barn fold-it, our piggy fold-it, our cow fold-it, our horsey fold-it, our sheep fold-it, our chick fold-it, and aren't they so adorable? So Liam and Miller, boom, this is for you guys. Right here, these are for you. So here's our cute little horsey. And let me just tell you, this little horsey is the cutest little girl. I just absolutely, look, of course Michelle made a little stuffy. I just fell in love with her. 3 different options right there. Brown and dark brown and white with brown. So many different options. Here's another one. Oh, this one's fun. This is using the big alphabet letters. It says, hey, sorry you're a little horse. Oh, look how cute that is. Feel better. I love that. Oh, look how cute this one is. Again, with that fence, you guys. Slimline fence. I'm telling you. This one has a lot on it. This one has the horse fold-it, the farm animals with the dies, the fence fold-it, and the 5x7 truck to stamps dies. The 5x7 truck to stamp dies. Look how gorgeous that is. So cute. And then we have this cutie pie. Look at this. In a little barn. It's like in a little barn stall. Isn't that adorable? I absolutely love that. Love, love, love that. So this has a lot of things on it. The snowy scene to stamp, 5x7 rectangles, farm animals to stamp, horse fold-it. So adorable. I absolutely love it. Moving on. Oh, one more thing to show you before I show you all the samples. Another CreativeDex. Dun, 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 dun. CreativeDex. I know a lot of you are loving the CreativeDex, aka Rolodex or Memory Dex, to make those fun cards. Well, this one's a little different. This is the first time we've done a mini version. And let me just tell you, they are oh so dang cute. Look at how cute this is with the stamp on the back so you can have the name, address, phone, and email. Isn't that cute? Here's a cute one, have faith. I love that fun point at the top. It just gives it a new, different edge, right? Here's a cute one, spring, with the information on the back with that stamp. Here's a cute one. Oh, I love that one with the cute little the cute little lamb on there. Ooh, look at this one. Oh, you're pretty wonderful with our gorgeous dragonflies on there. Here's a cute one, limeade, and then, dun 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 dun, lime. See, here's our cute little mini ones. Yes, they fit this. The notches are still the same, just a smaller card. So sometimes you just need a little filler in there, so that just adds a little bit of extra, right? Here's a cute one with a gorgeous flower on it. And then here's 2 more mini ones. Just so dang adorable. And look, you could even fit the stamp on the back, just a little tiny bit if you just needed a little information. I absolutely love it. Now, alphabets and numbers and symbols. Again, half of you just go away. Go away. Here we go. Oh, one more thing really quick. We now have the chastity bag on our website. So I know a lot of you have requested the chastity bag. We now have the chastity Totally Tiffany, you know, my BFF. The chastity bag is now on our website. Okay, now let's look at our numbers. Okay, hello. If you have somebody that's turning 2, what better than a big 2, right? With our sprinkles background, I love that. Isn't that gorgeous? Happy 2nd birthday. Or if they're celebrating a sweet 16, this is our Decal Edge A2 size card. Look at that. Oh, with our fun scratch reveal. A birthday treat for you, scratch to reveal a spa day. Nice, sign me up, right? Sweet 16, I love that. That's using our type alphabet too up at the top. Look at this one. You and me, of course, using that burlap background die, you know I love it. And the postage to stamp and dies. Oh, look how cute. The flowers came from the slimline box card dies. So beautiful. You are a first class friend. You and me. I love that and. Or you could do Happy Halloween 31. Now remember I said this font is kind of funky dunky, right? So that 3 is big at the top and then little at the bottom. What if you didn't want it like that? You wanted it the opposite. Flip it over. Right? It can be funky or not so funky. It's up to you. Choices, choices, choices. Now we get to the banners. Look at all these banners, you guys. Are you ready? First, I have to show you this one because of hello. Who made this one, by the way? Linda made this one. Liam and Miller. You guys all know my babies' names are Liam and Miller, the twins. Look at those cute little pirates. I cannot wait to put this on. I think I'm going to put this on their bedroom door because I just think it's so cute. And Miller's first thing he's going to say is, why is there an M on there? Why is there an L on there? Why are there little people on there? Because Miller always has a lot of questions. But look at how adorable that is. The L and the M on there. Aren't they adorable? I love it. Now the pirate is made out of the 2-inch circle and other circles for the eyes. So easy to make. And the sayings for sailboats and the sailboat dies. And the lowercase quirky alphabet dies. So adorable. Okay, but wait, there's more. I'm telling you, anybody that likes banners or scrapbook pages or cards, because you could put those big numbers on there, you are in heaven right now. Ready? Here's another one. Look at this. Summer. I think this is going right when you first open my front door. I'm putting it right there so you can see it when it is summertime. Look at that. Look at our awesome lemons. And I love the background on these R's. We're going to have to zoom in. Using the background on these letters is the lemonade / citrus stencil. Again, you're seeing that one. But look how cute it is in different colors. Isn't that so much fun? Summertime is coming. Okay, but wait, there's more. Those of you in our Fold It kit, dun dun dun, you got the Decal Edge banner. This is the Decal Edge banner, only available to people that are in our Fold It / shaped card kit. Look at this. Love. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that gorgeous? Look at all that different patterns on the backgrounds. This one is beautiful. Happy anniversary, it says on it. It says, love is what happens when 2 hearts find their happy place right beside each other. Happy anniversary. Today we celebrate the best decision you ever made. I'm going to give this to Ken. Isn't that a gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous? I know, you guys, banners, if you don't make banners, you need to try once in a while because they're so awesome. Now, here's our smaller banners. This is the elegant smaller banner. And look at this. The letters fit on here. Oh, sometimes they like to stick to each other. The letters stick on here just as well. Look at that. Beach. Oh, gosh, you know I want to go to the beach. Look at how fun this is. Now, this might look time-consuming to you. I want you to look close, though, because the background is just pattern paper die cut. Easy peasy. Just a bunch of dies cut out, even using our paper pads that are die cut, that you can die cut. So simple. Sandcastle to stamp. Look at that. Easy peasy beach. I love it. One more. Ooh, the citrus lemonade stencil. Again, you guys, just using the flower. I'm telling you, that one is popular. Oh, perfect. TSOL, the Stamps of Life. I love it. Look at that. All that pink. Who made this? Sheila, thank you. I love that. TSOL with all those hearts. I love it. Now, if you subscribe to one of our kits, that means you're a club member. That means you get 15 to 20% off everything on our website. The first few hours, the first 24 hours that most items are brand new on our website, guess what? You want to know a secret? You get extra discount, meaning it's on a flash sale. So go check out our website, thestampsoflife.com, click on Join the Club tab, and just watch that and just see what it's all about, because you know what? You're going to fall in love. And then you're going to get that discount. Then you're going to get the points. Then you're going to get the anniversary gifts. Then you're going to get the freebies. And then you're going to have even more fun in life. And that's what life's all about, right? Thank you so much, and I will see you again soon. Bye-bye.